In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add prospects to a pipeline directly from the prospecting tool. The prospecting tool is tightly connected to your CRM, making it so much easier to move from discovery to deal tracking without any extra manual steps. And that's how we like it. So when adding a new prospect, the add to pipeline function can send that prospect directly into your sales pipeline and into the correct stage as well. It helps your team to keep the outreach organized whilst you're building a pipeline that is ready for follow-up and conversion. Let me show you how you can set this up. So first, let's click on marketing on the left and then on prospecting at the top. Here you can search for prospects using keywords, location, as well as radius. So let's type dentist, for example. Let's choose Chennai in India as the location, and you will see all of the dentists in that particular location within the particular radius showing up. Then click add on the prospect you would like to capture. Here, make sure you enable the add to pipeline option. Then select the pipeline you would like to add the prospect to. Then choose the correct stage within that pipeline. Then click generate report. Then you can click view to confirm that this prospect shows up inside the correct pipeline as well as the correct pipeline stage. So right after you hit that button generate report, the prospect will be added to the particular pipeline that you have selected. This also does work for bulk prospecting. Prospects can be routed into a pipeline from bulk prospecting as well as manual search and manual form-based prospect creation. Please note, in order to add a prospect to a pipeline and or stage, the pipeline and the stage has to be created prior to you adding that prospect. You can, of course, afterwards change the pipeline stage. Once the prospect has been added, you can move them back and forth as per your likings. Adding those prospects into the correct pipeline and stage makes it so much easier with your follow-up processes. You can from there trigger the usual workflows if you have them set up. So if you have set up a workflow where the trigger is opportunity creation or stage changes, adding prospects to that pipeline may trigger those automations depending on how your system is configured. Well, I hope you like this feature, and if you haven't signed up for the prospecting tool just yet, or you're looking to sign up for HighLevel or upgrade, be sure to check out our affiliate bonuses that are linked in the description below, which includes a support snapshot that comes with over 500 white label videos that you can keep forever.